Stay is a platform that promises to simplify your life, but before you pull the trigger, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll dive into 7 essential details about Stay that will help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Trust me, you'll want to watch all the way through, especially when we get to the end, where I'll share the best deal on the market right now. First things first, Stay is known for being user-friendly. Unlike some of its competitors, Stay offers a smooth interface that doesn't require a steep learning curve. If you've tried other platforms, you'll know how frustrating it can be to waste time learning how to navigate complex systems. Stay prides itself on making sure you can get started quickly with minimal hassle. Next, let's talk about customization. Stay offers a range of personalization options, allowing you to tailor your experience to exactly how you want it. Some competitors offer basic customization, but Stay goes a step further, letting you personalize everything from the dashboard to your notifications. This means you're not stuck with default settings that don't suit your style. The third thing you need to know is that Stay has built-in integrations that set it apart. Whether you're using Google, Outlook, or another platform, Stay can integrate seamlessly, allowing you to sync your information without jumping through hoops. Some other options on the market might require you to pay extra for integrations or have clunky workarounds, but Stay keeps everything simple and free. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Now, Stay is an excellent value for what it offers, especially when you compare it to other solutions that may charge a premium for features that you might not even need. Stay's free trial, which I'll talk more about later, lets you experience everything without putting down a single dollar. And if you choose to upgrade, the pricing is competitive and clear. No hidden fees or surprise charges. Next, customer support is crucial, and Stay has made it a priority. If you've ever had to wait hours for a response from other services, you know the pain of poor customer support. Stay's team is known for being responsive, with multiple channels available to reach out, including live chat, email, and even phone support. You're not left in the dark here. The sixth thing to note is Stay's security features. Data protection is more important than ever, and Stay makes sure your information is safe with top-notch encryption. Other platforms might offer security, but Stay goes above and beyond to keep your data secure, offering peace of mind that your personal information won't be compromised. Finally, the last thing I'll mention is that Stay keeps improving. With regular updates and new features, Stay ensures that the platform stays ahead of the competition. While some companies may release an update and call it a day, Stay listens to user feedback and constantly improves, which means you're getting ongoing value long after you first sign up. If you're interested in trying Stay for yourself, you can access the best offer by clicking the first link in the description below. They offer an exclusive deal that lets you try it for completely free, so you can see for yourself if Stay is the right fit for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the benefits firsthand. Now you have a clearer picture of Stay and how it stacks up against its competitors. If you want to dive deeper and experience all the features that make Stay stand out, click the link below for your free trial and exclusive benefits.